Okay, here is Arms to Embrace You with. This was an acrylic pour that I did, and then I did an embellishment. I painted an octopus on it. That's in one of my other videos. And this is a pillow that I am giving away, a 16-inch pillow cover, and I'm going to ship it to whoever wins the giveaway for the month of September. So if you would like to register to win this cool pillow cover, go to my website, www.sandralett.com, and go all the way down to the very, very, very bottom where it says contest. I mean all the way to the bottom. Or you can click on the heading at the top of the page that says contest and go to the contest there, but it is right at the very, very bottom of the page. And you have to register with your email in order to have a chance to win a drawing, a chance for a drawing to win the free pillow. Because if you don't enter your email, the computer has no way of registering your name for the chance to win. We can't guess who you are just by clicking on an entry. You have to enter your email. It doesn't mean you'll be hit up for, newsletters or anything like that, but you do have to register to win it. So here is my Arms to Embrace You with, and it is a pillow cover. You can buy a form at Walmart for under $10, and you just stick it inside, or you take an old throw pillow and you stick it inside the cover. And there it is. Thank you. Good luck. Okay, so I got a couple of things I just wanted to show you real quick on this video. This is a 6-piece set. These squares are 2 feet. They're made out of 1/2-inch foam rubber, and they interlock, and 6 pieces covers, I think it was 24 square feet. So there's 6 squares. Here's my foot, so you can see how big my foot is compared to the square. White legs. This is in my kitchen, but this is definitely going to go in my studio when I get my studio here very shortly. But I wanted you to know that these 6 squares are only $21 on Amazon. Well worth it, and it feels great on your feet, and it also can preserve your floor and not get spills on your floor. So I saw this tip on another artist YouTube channel, and he recommended it, and I thought, wow, that's genius. I should have thought of that myself. So I wanted to show you that. And this is the butcher paper I'm getting ready to open up and put on my table. Butcher Paper by Jack Richardson. It's in my Amazon link. It says it will not bleed through. And it is 30 inches deep, 50 feet long. So this lasts for quite a while. And this is what all my nasty little drips, see all the drips? I cut out what I want for skins. And this wipes down very easily, but if you get lazy and you don't wipe it down, then this is what happens. But it doesn't bleed through. So I just put it on my dining room table, and this is what I use to protect my surface. So I wanted to show you that roll of paper before I opened it up. Hobby Lobby also has it. It's $16, so if you use your coupon with them, you can get it for $8.